So guys, how to apply custom animated frames in InShot? It's really simple. Let's make a new project. Tab on bottom left corner, select the folder where you have your file. Suppose this one. Select the green tick, canvas, select the proper aspect ratio. Go to PIP, material, atmosphere, scroll down. As you can see, we have several animated custom frames here. Single tap on one of them to download. Tap again to import. Confirm it. Tap on this button to cover the full screen. Or if your video is in landscape mode, then just rotate the frame overlay. Also, as you can see, our animated frame duration is 6.1 seconds. If your video duration is higher than this, then just duplicate it. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.